Sensor cook and sensor reheat options allow you to cook or reheat most of your favorite foods without selecting cooking times and power levels. For best results, always place the food item onto the center of your dry microwave safe dish and cover loosely or use a dry vented lid. For proper sensor operation, make sure not to completely cover your food and ventilate any sealed food item by poking the plastic in even spacing or peel it back to cover the food loosely. To use the sensor cook function, select the sensor cook button on the control panel and then select the proper menu selection from the cooking guide label and press start. Your microwave oven automatically determines required cooking time for this food item and other foods in their respective categories, as shown on the label posted in front of the microwave oven cavity towards the top. When the internal sensor detects a certain amount of humidity coming from the food you've put into the microwave oven, the internal sensors will tell the microwave oven how much longer to heat, and the display will then show the remaining heating time for your food item. Do not open the door or touch the stop clear button during the sensing time. When sensing time is over, the unit will beep and the display window will then indicate the end of the cook cycle. At this time, you can open the door to stir, turn, or rearrange the food if required. If your food is not completely cooked after using the sensor cook function, manually set your cook time for additional cooking. Improper ventilation, food placement, and not following the cooking guide label can result in undercooked food. For sensor reheat, the same directions apply. Set your food item into the microwave as before and select the sensor reheat button on your control panel, and then select the proper menu selection from the cooking guide label and press start. These options and more can help make your cooking process more efficient. Caution: never leave your over-the-range microwave oven unattended while in use. Thank you for watching our customer support video. We hope you enjoy your LG experience.